If you're one of the millions out there who have been forced to do video conferencing from home to do your work, well, this is probably what you look like to the viewer. Not too flattering. Now here's a different angle, a higher view. The shadows are gone from underneath the chin, a lot more presentable, a lot more attractive. Well, my wife was one of those millions of people who's been asked to stay home and teleconference. She asked me if I could make something to raise up her two-piece detachable laptop. Better than a stack of books. To see this monitor, it actually has the hard drive in it. It's very heavy, so I added a hook to keep the monitor from falling down. This is just using a 18 by 24 campaign sign. No tape, I just cut the back, 2 slits that made a hinge cut, added some string to keep them from separating, and some Velcro tabs so the thing could fold up easy enough. Here's a plan. I also have this on my website. I have a link in the description. Also too, I like to stand up sometimes when I'm working and not have to bend over on my table. And then here it is in the video conferencing mode. This is for my Hewlett-Packard laptop computer. This might be something similar to what you have where the hard drive is in the keypads. So I cut it to the profile of the front of the computer, the lip. I only brought it up about 1/8 of an inch. I didn't want my palms of my hands resting on that edge. Now this was made by a 10 by 30 inch piece I had kicking around. A little bigger than the 18 by 24 inch standard yard sale signs that you can get at the hardware store, so you may have to use tape for the hinges. On this one I added little indents in the bottom to give it little foot pads, and then on those I added some duct tape, and this keeps it secure on the table. And you got your string and your Velcro to keep it so together when you're not in use. Here again is the plan, again on my website. So if you ever had a hankering to play around with fluted plastic, this is the project to do it on. Very simple. Hope you enjoyed this, folks. Have a good day. Bye-bye.